I saw a bird in a cage, not in sorrow, not in rage. She watched the sky with steady eyes, carrying dreams too bright to hide. Beautiful eyes, delicate wings. Every morning she still sings. Maybe she's crying all alone, trading the wild for a painted home. They call it safety, call it kind, but the bars are cutting through her mind. What is protection? Who is it for? When freedom stands outside the door. What is the point of wings at all, if every dawn just ends and falls? No open road, no drifting miles, just polished sorrow dressed in smiles. They say, be grateful, stay in place, but she was born to chase the space. A little song behind the glass, a prayer for winds that never pass. They call it safety, call it kind, but the bars are cutting through her mind. What is protection? Who is it for? When freedom stands outside the door. I saw my own face in her stare, all my small fears laid bare. Some cages shine, some cages lie, some are built to keep hope quiet. They call it safety, call it kind, but the bars are cutting through my mind. What is protection? Who is it for? When freedom stands outside the door. This life moves in bitter phases, but truth survives what fear disguises. And when I think I've lost my way, I still hear that bird sing anyway.